Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to explain you how to safely delete my business account over Google, right? And this problem is faced by a lot of people. There is a lot of businessmen who face this problem every day. So first of all, you have to log in your email by the same number, by the same email address from which your business account has been created, right? And after that, you will see on the top right this menu bar. So just go to the Google apps here. You can just click business profile manager, or you can, if you're just go to Google and just type my business, right? And once you see, if only you are the primary owner, just hear me carefully, only you are the primary owner, then only you will able to see this option, right? You can say it's not publicly visible. So what you have to do, just click on view profile. If your account is publicly live, then you will not get this option. You will only get this option of view profile. Then just click on view profile here, and after that, only you are the primary owner, not any manager, not any moderator, only you are the primary owner, and you have logged in with the same email address, then only you will able to find this option, right? So once you get this option, you can see that I can edit my profile, read reviews, message and everything. That is the normal features. But in the top right, you will see this three menu dot icon. So just click on that, and here you will get an option, so many options. Just go to the business profile setting. Once you go to business profile setting, you will see that remove business profile. This is the third option, right? Don't go any to other option. Just click on remove business profile, right? Once you click in here, you will see stop managing this profile and remove people, content and manager. So if you want to just, if you want to completely get out of the internet, or if you want to delete each and every information from internet, then you have to choose this option, remove profile, content and managers. So once you click on this, it will ask once again, all post photos and videos added by you will be permanently removed. You and the other managers won't be able to recover or manage any profile content. Associate Google Ads campaign may become inactive, right? So it gives you a warning that this much every features will get turned off. So make sure you can just download it. If you want to download it, then just click on here. It will redirect to you on a new page, and you will able to download all the data. And but still, if you want to delete it, then just click on continue, and after that it will get deleted. Well, I don't want to do this, so I will not do it right now, but you can just click on continue and it will get deleted. So this is so easy to delete your business profile icon over the Google. And if you found this video really useful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.